Hey, this is John Carrick with Carrick Customs, and today we're going to show you how to install our Cummins conversion motor mounts in an OBS Ford truck. So first we're going to start off with bolting the engine side brackets onto the engine. The larger bracket is for the driver's side and the smaller bracket is going to go on the passenger side. You're going to put blue thread locker on the bolts and torque them down to 44 foot-pounds. Once those are installed on the engine, then you're going to take the motor mount bushing and bolt it to the mount using the supplied hardware and torque the nut on the bushing to 80 foot-pounds. The next step is going to be installing the frame brackets to the engine crossmember. You're going to put the smaller bracket on the driver's side and the larger bracket on the passenger side using factory holes that are already in the crossmember and the supplied hardware that came with your motor mount kit. Now that you've got the motor mount brackets bolted to the block and the frame plates bolted to the engine crossmember, it's time to install the engine into the truck. Make sure that the nipple on the back side of your motor mount bushing is on the top side of the bushing so that when you install the engine, the stud goes to the bottom of the slot and the nipple goes to the top of the slot. Once the engine's installed, you'll install the nut on the back of the motor mount bushing and torque it down to 80 foot-pounds as well.